Thank you very much, Luca. Hello to everyone. I'm Leonard. As Luca introduced already, I'm the co-founder of Fundvis, a Luxembourgish fund tech located at the Loft. And Fundvis is actually directed at those of you who are working in fund administration and still rely heavily on manual work. So due to the lack of maybe implementation of digital tools. Or if you already reached a certain apex in your digitalization strategy because you're only using Excel and Outlook to the extent. So the problem Fundvis wants to solve is the following. We believe and we see that the fund sector is under-digitalized in Luxembourg. So when we're talking to partners or to clients, we see that they're relying a lot on outdated technologies. Now, obviously, there's also a cost factor involved, as manual work is always a higher cost factor in this department. As a result, we also have the operational inefficiency that can occur due to a lack of digitalization. So certainly, there's an increased risk in your operations due to the fact that you're under-digitalized. In addition, it's also a poor customer experience, which is important to mention and not to forget. So how does Fundvis want to solve this problem? Well, we streamline fund administration by digitalizing and automating all fund-related workflows. So with Fundvis, all industry partners can cooperate, coordinate, and communicate better in one single collaborative environment. So how do we do this? Well, what you can see behind me in the middle is the platform that we have been developing in the last year together with two industry partners, one AFM and one legal from Luxembourg. You see a number of different processes which are currently being used and operated by our clients on the platform. So fund setup, risk management, client reporting, etc. Now, in addition to this, Fundvis developed a number of features which are dedicated to the fund industry and help you to work more efficient and more direct in your digital workflows. Now, we also deliver digital infrastructure for you. So if you have nobody to take care of it, we already establish all the server parts, the user management, and we operate the software for you on the platform you want. In addition to this, we are a cooperative platform. So you see on the right and on the left, two big parts. Anyways, on one side, you see the asset managers, AFMs, etc. So probably people you are going to be in contact with anyways during the course of your fund. Now, we help you to integrate and connect them to your fund flows inside Fundvis. So you never have to write an email again to all of those just to finish one contract agreement or any document. On the other side, we integrate third-party solutions to make your work more prosperous and actually have such tools like e-signature or data analytics onboarded to your one interface on Fundvis. Now, we're really happy to announce today officially that we're cooperating with EBRC, a Luxembourgish support PSF, which is certified and is sitting in Luxembourg, hosting your data only here, and has the highest standard of data security and quality of processing. Now, in addition, we also have the possibility to host you with Google Cloud, which is obviously only storing in the European Union your data and your web hosting. So continuing to show you a bit of an example of how Fundvis actually works. So what you can see is one of the investment processes, one of many processes we have on the platform. Now, do you see all the different clients that can connect to this process? One of them being the admin, so let's say the lead user, which is in contact with Fundvis. He sets up the workflow of the entire project and everyone involved. In the same instance, we also create the data room for collecting all the necessary documents you might be needing. So in this data room, you can actually edit them and always be on the same page with everyone in the flow. In the third instance, we also integrate all the software solutions you might need. So for example, DocuSign, but also WorldCheck, etc. Now, we also create the information oversight so that you actually know what's going on in all your different processes and all your different funds on every task level at any minute. Now, in the end, you have a final approval and a process reporting, which is generated for you, so you always see what's going on during the process. And in the end, if you ever want to go back to a process and see, for example, a specific document or a decision you took, you can always go to it because it's stored in an ordered way for you, ready to download. Now, our service doesn't stop just there. We also have a key account that helps you to digitalize all your manual processes you might have in place and onboard them to Fundvis. In addition, as we are a Luxembourg-based team, we can help you with the IT management, support, customizations, and training of your staff. As a third one, we offer also a white label solution if you want to brand the platform to your company identity. Now, to sum it up again, why Fundvis would be a great catch for you. We are 100% modifiable. We are fully interoperable with third-party solutions, and we are ready to go within days. That's a promise. Also, we are hosted, stored, and located in Luxembourg, so all compliance issues should be involved with this. And in the end, we are a collaborative and digital environment for all the industry partners. So thank you very much for your attention. Please go ahead to book a meeting using this QR code with us, either today or tomorrow, or in the course of the next weeks. Thank you for your attention. Have a lovely event. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much, Loft, for that.